that there is a statutory rule of the Bar Council of India that a lawyer who refuses to defend a person on the ground that people believe him to be guilty is himself guilty of professional misconduct.
As a criminal lawyer, don't you believe that there is a Lakshman Rekha that even all criminal lawyers have to work under?
I'm sorry, don't please talk of this bullshit to me. I know what my Lakshman Rekhas are. I have read my rules of the standard of conduct of a lawyer. It will be the saddest day when a lawyer refuses to stand between the state and the final verdict.
So what is precisely making you angry? That he should be found guilty in the eyes of the law and not in the eyes of the press?
What is making me angry at the moment is what the press is doing.
But what
you people are doing. You are carrying on a sedulous campaign of creating prejudice against a man who is standing his trial and who has already been acquitted in one court.
But so a number of lawyers who have in fact been participating in the team have pointed out to us that in fact the evidence that is there against Manu Sharma is enough. That the testimony of Veena Damani is enough. That the fact that his pistol is not there.
I'm not impressed. What you should do then is to go and talk to the police, come to the court, give evidence if you have any evidence to give. But don't really go on creating this kind of a confusion. Nonsense. The court has found him not guilty and you are going against the court. You are trying to become the court.
So
you are not the court. Please understand this. I will not allow you to use up the judicial function, which you are trying to do just because there are people who are afraid of making press their enemy. I don't care. You can write 100 things against me. I will stand by my client and I will defend him to the last breath of my life. Okay?
So are you basically fighting the press? Or are you
No, I am fighting for my client. The press is fighting for injustice.
The press is fighting for injustice.
I will not allow you to perpetrate an injustice.
But is this how you want to be known in the public eye? Your family itself.
Please don't ask me how. It is my personal life, professional life. You have nothing to do with it. I will not allow the press to control my life.
What is wrong with an activist press? What is wrong with the press that speaks up for the underdog?
Activist, but it is my duty to inform you.
What about your own conscience? Why don't you search your own conscience?
But I am searching my conscience.
A young girl was shot in the front of 100 people.
Please don't. All this bullshit will not convince me at all. My conscience is my conscience and you are not responsible for my conscience. And I don't sell my conscience either to you or to anybody else, nor will I change my professional etiquette, give up my professional etiquette because some chip of a girl comes and tells me that something is wrong. I'm sorry.
What about the case in itself? A young girl was shot in public. There are some witnesses who believe that Manu Sharma was involved.
It is none of your business. I told you it is none of your business. The courts will decide. You are not the judges of this country, and for God's sake, stop becoming judges and gods.